Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to modify your LinkedIn profile without alerting your network. Whether you are adding new accomplishments or just doing some general maintenance, you might want to make these changes silently. This simple process takes less than 5 minutes, so let's begin. First, navigate to the LinkedIn homepage and log into your account. You can use your Google credentials for a faster login or enter your standard account information if you prefer. LinkedIn makes accessing your profile very straightforward from the start. Once you have logged in, find your profile picture located in the upper right corner of the interface. This icon serves as the portal to your personal account settings and preferences, so go ahead and click it. From the drop-down menu, select the Settings and Privacy option. This area allows you to manage your user experience and decide what information is visible to your connections. Clicking this will take you exactly where you need to be. After entering the Settings menu, navigate to the Visibility tab. This section functions as the command center for how your activities and profile adjustments are broadcasted to others. Click on Visibility to continue. Within these settings, look for the specific toggle labeled Shared Job Changes, Education Changes, and Work Anniversaries from Profile. This is the feature that triggers notifications for your contacts whenever you make an update. To keep your edits private, simply switch this feature to the off position. By disabling this, you ensure that every minor adjustment or new milestone isn't immediately announced to your professional circle. This is a great way to keep things quiet until you are ready to share them on your own terms. That is all there is to it. With these brief steps, you can refresh your LinkedIn presence quietly without sending notifications. While maintaining an updated profile is vital for your career, you have full control over how those updates are shared. Feel free to make your changes and continue building your professional narrative exactly how you want.